Children, related to length, you have learned many things like how to use handspan, footspan. I have shown you through activity. Now, it is your time to think, compare and write. This exercise will help you to make this concept easier and concrete. So, let's start. Compare and write true and false. You have to write true and false. That means you have to read properly, think, and then you have to write the answer. Okay? So let's start. Number 1. Length of your father's shoes are. Here it will come more. Length of your father's shoes are. More will come. Length of your father's shoes are more than your shoes. More than your shoes. Okay? Let me read again. Yes. Length of your father's shoes are more than your shoes. So think and tell. What will be the answer? Length of your father's legs are big in size and your legs small in size. Shoes will be also, your shoe will be smaller than your father. So length of your father's shoes are more than your shoes. That means your father's shoes are more. Length is more. That means this sentence is correct. If it is correct, what you will write? True. So you will write here True. True. This way you have to read, think and compare and you have to write. If it is wrong, then you will write false. Length of your water bottle is more than your sharpener. Your sharpener is small in size and your water bottle at least this much. That means here it is written length of your water bottle is more than your sharpener. It's correct. Water bottle length is more. The sharpener is small, shorter. So true. Okay. Now, length of your classroom door is less than window. In your classroom, the length of door is, what is written? Less, means smaller than window. Is it possible? If you compare both the things, doors and window, which one is longer, which one is shorter? Windows are shorter and doors are longer. So here it is written the length of your classroom door is less, that means shorter than window. That means windows are longer. So this is not correct. You will write false. Clear? Now, next one. Length of a scale is more than an eraser. Always, if you take small scale also, if you take big scale also, length of the scale is always bigger than an eraser. Eraser is this much size or this much size. So, this is also true. So, length of a bucket is more than a mug. When you are going to washroom or bathroom, length of the bucket is this much. That means it is more than a mug. Mug is smaller. The length of mug is shorter. So, the length of bucket is more than a mug. True. This is also true. Now, your height and your father's height are same. Is it possible? Your height and your father's height will be same? Can be same? No, your father's height are more than you. You are smaller than your father. Height wise also, age wise also. So this is false. So this way you have to read the sentence, understand what is telling, think, compare, and then you have to write the answer. Okay.